Hey, what's going on, everybody? So this video is going to be on Meguiar's hybrid ceramic detailer. This product is great to be used in between washes, especially if your vehicle is not dirty. If it's so dirty that it's in need of a wash, this product isn't for you, but this product right here is for in between washes, for getting off dust and things like that. Very minor contaminants that may be on your vehicle. So this is Meguiar's hybrid ceramic detailer. Spray on, wipe off, hybrid ceramic protection. Removes dust and light contaminants. Enhances waxes, coatings, and sealants. It says boost beading and protection. And it says extreme water beading action. We're going to test it out. So, mist and wipe your way to a just washed appearance. Yes, it's that easy. Creates a slick finish while boosting shine. Used by itself or to strengthen waxes, sealants, or coatings. Meguiar's hybrid ceramic detailer provides the missing link between washing and waxing with hybrid ceramic protection. This is the perfect product to use between applications of Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wax to quickly enhance the existing hydrophobic water beading protection. You can also use this formula to remove light contaminants and dust to maintain that just wash appearance, while adding a layer of hybrid ceramic protection that beads water like crazy. Okay, here's the directions. Shake well. Car should be cool to the touch and in the shade. Mist hybrid ceramic detailer onto one section at a time. Quickly spread the product with a microfiber towel like Meguiar's Supreme Shine microfiber towel. Turn to a dry portion of this towel, the same towel, and wipe dry. Return the damp portion of the cloth for each initial wipe. Repeat until this process on each section. Okay. Tip: if light streaking occurs, spray product directly onto the towel and repeat steps 2 and 3. Product separation is normal. Shake before use. Can also be used on exterior trim and chrome. Precautions: do not swallow. Wash thoroughly after handling. Keep out of reach of children. For more information, visit meguiars.com/ingredients. Okay, so let's go ahead and shake this up. Okay, and the microfiber that I'm going to be using today is going to be from Quickie Job Site Heavy Duty Microfiber Cloths, and it says 50% more absorbent, safe on all surfaces. This is a 16-pack. Link will be in the description. Same thing with this Meguiar's hybrid ceramic detailer. I'm going to go ahead and put that over there. Go ahead and put that up there. So the first thing I'm going to do is mist it onto the surface. Holding on to this, I'm not going to set it down on the surface. And then, as the directions say, quickly spread product with a microfiber towel like Meguiar's Supreme Shine microfiber towel. Okay, then it says turn to a dry portion of the towel, so we're just going to flip it and wipe dry. Okay, return to the damp portion of the cloth for each initial wipe. Repeat this process on each section. Okay, so as you can see, it's shiny. This product does not do a miracle polish. It is a detailing product, so what it does, it is a detailer, but so by definition it cleans off dust and whatnot, which that has been achieved. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the hose and we're going to see what the beading action is of this product here. I'm going to be doing a water test on this to see how this beads. Let's do a test. I'm going to set this right up here. I'm going to set this right there. I'm going to grab the hose and let's just test this out. Okay, look at this. That is impressive. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set that right up there. Let's just spray it down a little bit more. Look at those tight beads. Look at that. Okay. Water's still running off. So now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and dry this off. Everyone, so that has been Meguiar's hybrid ceramic detailer. Spray on, wipe off, hybrid ceramic protection. It is a great product, I think, for a retail product. This is great for everyone that's out there that wants to do it yourself, wants to take care of your own stuff. And yeah, I mean, it works. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.